Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making fabulous dessert with the help of my mum. I hope you enjoyed the video. First I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of milk. Now I'm going to put banana pudding powder. And I'm going to mix it until the mixture is thick. I'm going to mix it for about 10 minutes. I've got some strawberries, some kiwi, some bananas, some pomegranate, some apples, some grapes, and some cut up mango. Now I'm going to put it into this tin. I've added them all in. Now I'm going to add the rest of it into these little square ones. Now I'm going to add the pudding. And I'm going to put it in the little ones. Tap it and shake it until the pudding goes all the way down. Some of these almond flakes and some crushed up pistachio. I'm going to start with the almond flakes. Okay. Now the pistachios. It's all done. Now I'm going to cover it with cling foil. And I'm going to put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. I've took it out of the fridge. Now I'm going to put the big one on the plate. Make sure the pudding is thick, like really thick, because ours came out not so good, but it tastes well good. And so yummy, it was delicious. I forgot to film a video of the little one. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the post notification bell on. Allah Hafiz.